Okay, so we're gonna restart some list question and solve these questions. I definitely encourage you that you solve them on your own and take your time to solve them because it's very important that you review and test your own language. Okay. Nevertheless, we're gonna solve them right here, right now. So, okay, let's start with the first one. Uh-huh. What are the explicit parameters, and return values in the method called river.length? Okay, so I got river dot length. From here, we know that once again, as I told you before, you find a period that is an implicit. Okay, explicit is what goes inside the parameter. In this case, it is empty. Okay, so the explicit is empty, and the return value is going to give you the length, how much elements. It's going to be a return. It's going to tell you the length. Okay, and this is going to be the return value. That's the first part. The second part. What is the result of the call river dot replace p, comma s? So as we checked before, let me write it here. River dot replace s, no, the other way, p with s. Okay, so here, whatever I find with p, I'm gonna change it into s. Okay, so this would change all p with s. Okay, this is 12, and this is 13, now 14. What is the result of the cold greeting replace world Dave that length? Oh, this is very, very funny one. So, usually we had like hello world. Okay, so whenever we apply the method replace, let me use another color, red would do. We're gonna replace first of all, think of all, we're gonna replace Dave with world, world with Dave. Okay, so here, step one, we're gonna use hello, comma, Dave, and we're gonna have this. This is our return thing. Now we're asked to get the length here. Okay, let me change the color. A green one will do. So we need now to count. We need to count now the number of elements that we have, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the return value is going to be 8, 12. Whenever you have a chain of implicit value things, you start doing them from left to right. Okay? And this way. You need to read them that way. Okay? So the one that's more outer one is the last one. Finally, how is the uppercase method declared in the string class? If you remember, whenever we applied this to uppercase, we had like the same word where everything was done with like capital letters. Okay, so it would be public because it actually interacts with the user. It's gonna be a string because it returns a string, and it's gonna be called to uppercase. Now, it had no parameters, so we can leave it that way. Okay, with this we finish like our little review about methods and parameters. Uh, the next thing we're gonna do is like how to declare objects and how to do lots of heavy stuff that they're not difficult at all, but we need to review very closely. Take a deep look into everything we checked until now, and if you doubt of questions, don't hesitate to contact me.